In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto submit in Expensify. If you're looking to have more control over when your expenses get submitted, then this guide will walk you through the steps needed to manage this setting within your Expensify account. First, we need to head over to your workspace settings. This is the hub where you can manage various functionalities and configurations of Expensify to suit your preferences. Make sure you're logged into your Expensify account to access these features. Once you're there, an important section to focus on is called Workflows. The Workflows section is where you can tailor how tasks such as submissions are automated or managed manually, in this case, giving you authority over the auto submission feature. Next, look for the specific workspace you wish to edit. A workspace in Expensify can be thought of as a controlled area where you and your team manage expenses for a specific department or project. Clicking on the right workspace matters greatly because each workspace can have different configurations based on your needs. After you've selected your workspace, the next step is to locate the option labeled Submission Frequency. This is where you have the power to set the intervals for how often your expense reports are automatically submitted. By default, this might be automated to submit at regular periods, but here's where you can make those all-important adjustments to switch it off. To turn off the auto submit feature, you'll want to either disable the toggle or select Disabled from the available submission frequency options. This action will stop the system from automatically submitting your expense reports based on a preset schedule. Essentially, by opting for the disabled setting, you're choosing to manually submit your reports, which can be especially useful if you prefer to review them thoroughly before submission or if your reporting schedule changes often. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off the auto submit feature in Expensify. This gives you more control, allowing you to submit expenses exactly when you deem appropriate. Remember, managing your settings like this ensures that your expense reporting aligns with your personal workflow or your company's reporting protocols. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now able to take charge of how your expenses are submitted on Expensify. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our resources or reach out to the Expensify support team for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching and happy expense managing.